Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and today we're taking a look at the 2021 Volante 270BH. This is a fifth wheel from CrossRoads that weighs 7,609 pounds dry. Guys, that is super light. That puts this into the F-150 modern half-ton towable category. Can you imagine that? Pulling this with a half-ton. It's gonna get some looks for sure, but it's totally doable with today's modern trucks. What's so great about this floor plan? Well, it's bath and a half, and it's corner bunk, corner bath. It has a single slide that goes out here that you can see, and behind me, we have the two main full over full style beds where we have a curtain divider. There's some USB ports up in there to give power for phones and recharging tablets and such. And just to the side of that, we have the one full bathroom in this unit. It's a good sized bathroom, and stepping out of that, we're in this main big living room kitchen combined space. The kitchen has solid surface countertops, not a laminate, so this isn't going to have any kind of water damage from stuff sitting on it. And I love the modern look that Volante has done with the gray cabinetry up here and these paneled glass cabinet doors. They're very, very slick. The entertainment center is modeled after that in much the same way. It comes with a sound bar and an electric fireplace. All your controls are located right here on that entertainment center as soon as we come through the door. Stepping up onto the upper deck, we go past some storage and into the master bedroom. The master bedroom, because this is a mid-profile fifth wheel, it slopes down at the ceiling. Now I'm 6'3". I still have room to stand at the foot of the bed and get dressed at the beginning of the day. But what's cool about this is hiding up here. We talked about it earlier. This is bath and a half. So the half bath is hiding right here. Pretty slick because that gives their own private bathroom to the parents. Now, there's also hanging closet space, a shelf up above, and like many trailers on the market today, they've put storage under the bed. I'd like to point out in the living room one last thing before we step outside and check out this outside kitchen, that this has a trifold sofa and a U-shaped dinette. Now, with the two full over full bunks and converting these into beds, this thing can sleep 10 people. That's a lot of people. Maybe too many for me in a camping trip, but hey, it's up to you if you own this RV. Let's check out that outside kitchen. Outside the 270BH, here at the rear of the camper on the patio side, we have our outside kitchen. What does it consist of? Well, we've got a hot point electric refrigerator. It's a small one, like dorm size, but hey, you can keep a few cold beverages in there easily. A little sink where we pop this out to dispose of our water, and then we have a 2-burner stovetop and some storage. So that's great for if you're cooking out here. We've got propane cooking, and then I can see pulling out a grill and cooking out here as well. This, all in all, is a great camper for a fifth wheel that's as light as it is. Come check it out for yourself in person here at Southern RV. Until next time, happy camping.